Hey beauties, welcome back. Today's video we are going to do another small hairstyle again, guys. Yeah, that's small hairstyle that you could also achieve with your own natural hair if you have, for those who have long hair. But we that doesn't have long hair, we try to apply some small extension to that, right? So the extension I'm going to add today is a pony puff. You can get it on Amazon, you can get it online in any hair store. I'm going to put the link under the description box, guys, right? Or under the comment section so that you guys, if you want to follow the link, right, we are going to do some high pony, and the behind I'm going to do some small like a crisscross with rubber band design. Yeah, I just washed my hair and I apply the Kentu leave-in spray moisturizer. So then I blow dry with a low heat. I don't want to use too much heat on my hair. Yeah, so I blow dry with low heat, and I'm going to show you how I achieve this hairstyle too, right? So I will let you keep watching the video, and I will also take this opportunity to say a big thanks to you all for your support. Thank you, guys. I love you so much. Thank you for being here, and thank you for supporting me with my channel. It is new. Don't forget to help a sister if it is your first time by subscribing and sharing. Um, yeah, if you like what I'm doing, right? Um, yeah, I will let you enjoy the video, and again, Merry Christmas in advance. Love you all, guys. And yeah, remember, I'm not going to add any gel to that, right? I'm not going to. If you watch most of my videos, I don't add gel on my hair. I add in some, but it is for a purpose, like when I'm about to wash my hair and I want to style before, then I add gel, knowing that after I've removed the style, I'm going to wash my hair, right? Yeah, not in all cases. So in this particular video, I'm not going to add any gel, only in my forehead that I'm going to, the baby hair have to be lie down. So I'm going to style them with eco gel. Yeah, otherwise I will let you keep watching the video, and thank you for being here. Thank you for your support. Until we meet next time. Love you. Mwah.